Uncle Chris smells so good. It's Uncle Chris. Happy New Year. It is a brand new year, and this is my first Food Pantry Food Bank haul of 2023. 2023? Can you imagine? I'm also going to show you how what I got here I use to supplement what I do. Hey, Nina, when I go to the grocery store and buy food regularly, okay? All right, come with me and I'm going to show you what I got. Check this out. We're starting from left to right. We've got produce. I can't believe it. Ooh, almost put my finger in the camera view. Produce. Guys, we got a cabbage. I'm going to make, you're going to love this, with some apples, my famous apple coleslaw. Okay? Now, it's a derivative of my aunt's potato salad that had apples in it, and it was really good. Okay? Can anybody tell me what type of squash this is? Is this acorn squash? I'm not sure. But I know they're good in the oven with some sugar and butter and some cinnamon. Oh, yeah. We've got some wonderful green peppers. Baby carrots, as Jay would say. He loves these things. You know what? I'm going to show you how I prepare these with some butter, cinnamon, and a little bit of sugar. They are delicious, and then you put some gravy over top of them. Yes, that's right. They are delicious. Got some oranges. I don't know if I want to do fresh squeezed orange juice or if I want to do my orange syrup and put over top of a cake. We're going to see about that. I'll show you how you do that. Got some bacon potatoes. Ooh, these are going to be nice. Oh, I'll show you how to do loaded baked potatoes. The low-fat version without having it taste that way. Got some sweet potatoes. Good Lord, I'm going to make some sweet potato pies. Got some seedless grapes. Now, I don't do the seedless, so I'm going to let somebody else have these. I just don't do anything that's seedless. All right. Over here, check this out. Okay, first, before I get to these, I want to get to these. Honey ham. This is so good. Now, this has a bit of a high salt content, so I'm going to let Jay eat that because he's young and he can do that, but I can't. But I do love a nice low-sodium honey ham. Then we've got some Atlantic salmon. Now, what I'm going to show you guys, I do a orange glazed salmon. It is delicious. I will show you how to do that, and there's no fishy taste, okay? We got some hot Tennessee Pride breakfast sausage. That is delicious. Now, catfish nuggets breaded. These things are delicious with my special homemade hot sauce. And I will show you how you do that. These make a wonderful appetizer or party favor. You can have these as the party favors at your next party. It's real nice, I'm telling you. Now, we got some white rice, endless possibilities. Turkey, what is this? For gravy? Yeah, instant gravy. Now, I have to see what the salt content is on here. But I know how to make my own gravy, but we'll see. We got some raviolis in the can. Jay will love those. I got diced tomatoes for some pasta. We got some spinach. Now, you know what we could do? Combine the spinach with the tomatoes and make another vegetarian quiche. Oh, yeah. We got some green peas. Delicious. Pears. And my favorite, cranberries. Low sodium corn. Got to love that. I've got some cut green beans. Love those. Cream of chicken soup. I'm going to do a casserole with that, but with potatoes. Because this is not low sodium, but potatoes soak up salt. So that will help. Got some chili in the can. We'll get that to Jay for his lunch. Sunflower oil. This is good for you. This is so good to cook with. It is wonderful. This is great on salads. I'm telling you. We got some knockoff cereal. One of Jay's favorites. This is pretty good. You put a little cinnamon on this. It's really great. Oh, I'm going to show you how you turn this into a dessert. This stuff is so good. With some cinnamon. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I will show you. It is great. Now, of course, I got some gluten-free. Oh, macaroni elbows. I am making my gluten-free macaroni and cheese. That is great for all people out there who are diabetics. Do I have anyone who's diabetic out there? Let me know so I can fix a meal for you that's tasty and you won't miss having sugar and all that in it. Now, of course, I got some macaroni and cheese up here, but I just use that for the pasta. That's all I use it for. We got some flour and some bread. They also gave out some milk. Look at that. That is so cool. And of course, the old duo, peanut butter and jelly. This is all natural peanut butter. Look at that. That's cool. Some wonderful, reduced sugar. Like I said, do I have anybody who's diabetic out there? This tastes good. Believe it or not, it does. You don't need all that sugar in there. A bountiful blessing, which helps me supplement for the groceries. Now, after this video, tomorrow, I'm going to show you, boom, my grocery haul. I spent $80 and I'm going to show you what I got. Now, since I have this, okay, my next dish from the food pantry itself will be my orange glazed salmon. And I'm going to show you all how to do that. It is a fancy looking dish that you can serve on date night or to the one you really, really love or just have for your family. All right? All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. Big love from Uncle Chris, and thank you all so much for watching.